Oh, I don't have zoom on this camera.
Right here. They're having it for
I need to get the other camera out. Kind of hold this.
One day, the mother pig called the little pigs to her side and said,
"Little pigs, it's time to build your own houses. It won't be easy, but you're old enough. Be careful of the big, bad wolf."
So the three little pigs left home to build houses of their own. The first little pig built his house made out of straw. He loved playing with food way too much. The second little pig built houses of sticks because he preferred to dance instead. However, because the third little pig was the most hardworking, he built his house out of bricks. One day, the big bad wolf went to visit the first little pig.
A little pig lived a good life. Little pig, let me come in. Not gonna hurt on my chinny chin chin. Little puff, blow your house down.
So she huffed, and she puffed, and she blew the house down. But the first little pig got out the back way and ran to the house of the second little pig. The next day, the big bad wolf came up from the house of sticks that belonged to the second little pig. So she huffed, and she puffed, and she blew the house down. But the little pigs got off the back way and ran to the house of the third little pig. The next day, the big bad wolf came upon the brick house that belonged to the third little pig. She huffed, and she puffed, and she huffed, and she puffed, but she could not blow down the brick house.
Little pig, I'm going to climb onto your roof and slide down your chimney, and I'm going to eat you up. Go ahead and try it.
So the wolf climbed onto the roof.
I can see his feet. I can see his legs. Wait, let's light that fireplace and bring it up on pot to boil.
So the wolf slid down the chimney, out the pot, and ran out the door as fast as he could.
Not that door.
Like